A tragedy in Jhabua in Madhya Pradesh where over 80 people have been killed and 100 others have been injured. 20 people critical in that cylinder blast at a restaurant in Jhabua. The incident happened at about 9 o'clock this morning. Now the restaurant is located in a residential area and reports say that there were firecrackers that were stored in the building and this could have been the reason for the massive blast. The Chief Minister has now rushed his Home Minister, Principal Secretary and State DGP to the site of the blast.
संवेदनाएं प्रकट करता हूं, मैं दुखी हूं। मैंने प्रभारी मंत्री जी को वहां जाने के निर्देश दिए हैं। प्रशासन पूरा वहां पहुंच चुका है। मुख्य सचिव को मैंने ये कहा है कि वो हिंदी सम्मेलन में न रह के पेटलावद में जो घटना हुई है उस घटना में जो घायल हैं उनके इलाज की व्यवस्था और वहां बाकी जो आवश्यक व्यवस्थाएं हैं वो व्यवस्थाएं करें। मैं निरंतर संपर्क में हूं। घटना दुखद है, जिसने मुझे अंदर तक हिलाया है। उस घटना के कारणों की जांच भी की जाएगी।
Well, those numbers steadily rising. My colleague Siddharth Ranjan Das now joining us on the phone line. Siddharth, the Chief Minister making it clear now that an inquiry will be ordered. There will be compensation given. But meanwhile, this tragedy is just getting bigger and bigger. 80 people now dead. We believe over 100 people injured and 20 critical.
Well, absolutely, Bani. The magnitude of this blast and the number of casualties, is something that is, actually, baffled the entire administration, because in the morning when it happened, the initial figure was of 20 casualties, 80 injured, and as the day progresses within 5 to 6 hours, that number has gone up to 82 who have lost their life in this incident, and over 100 people in hospital in injured condition, of which 20 are critical. At the moment we speak of, at the ground, the rescue and relief operation is almost over. Power connection to the entire Petlawad area has been cut off as of now, as rescue operations even now are on. The debris are being removed. The final phase of the rescue and relief operation is taking place as we speak. The collector, the SDM, SDOP, everybody is on the spot. And the locals, played a very crucial role in terms of the relief and rescue operation. They were the ones who actually, dug out people and the dead bodies, from the debris primarily. Because of the World Hindi Conference's concluding ceremony that is going to happen in a little while from now, and Rajnath Singh will be attending it, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has not gone to Petlawad, but yes, at around 1:32 he held a meeting with his top officials, and as he just said, he has actually, sent his Principal Secretary, Home Minister and the DGP to the spot. The reports that initially were coming in that there were firecrackers that were involved, but that is not true. The actual case that now the government is confirming to us, the police, in fact, is that in the neighboring house of the restaurant was a gelatin stick stored, which is used for mining. The person who had kept it with him had the license for, conducting those explosions, but yes, you cannot keep explosives in residential areas, so that certainly has been violated. And now, as the rescue and relief operation has gotten over, the officials are now reaching the spot where the incident happened, to actually investigate as to what went wrong, and they have assured action against those found guilty. Back to you.
All right, Siddharth, thanks very much for bringing us all of those details.